Hello, today's question is when to hire an elder law lawyer. Today you will learn the best time to hire an elder law lawyer and why it's important to plan for long-term care costs. And lastly, how an elder law lawyer can save you thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars if you need long-term care. Hi, I'm attorney Robert Pecori. I've been helping families with elder law and estate planning matters for 29 years now in my family's firm, Pecori Pecori. So the short answer to the question is when to hire well in advance of when you think you will need it. And by that I mean well in advance of needing the long-term care. This is not always possible, but the earlier the better. I can save you more money the further in advance that we plan, and the reason is because of the cost. It's very important to plan for long-term care costs because it's $10,000 per month per person in Pennsylvania for long-term care in a facility. This is usually financially devastating for most families. And most families have no idea of this cost until they're faced with it with a loved one who needs care right now. As an elder law lawyer, I can get you or your loved one eligible for Medicaid to pay for the long-term care rather than having to spend all of your money on that care. I can help you save money even if your loved one needs care right now, actually. I can save more if you're more than 5 years out from needing the care. But again, even in a pinch, you need help right now. Always talk to an elder law lawyer because there's usually a plan that we can implement. So who are some good candidates for long-term care, elder care planning? Basically, anyone married or single with assets that they wish to protect for their heirs rather than having to spend it on the care. And when we do advanced planning, we often use something called an asset protection trust. This is a trust to hold the assets that you specifically wish to protect. You would still be your own trustee and you still have access to the income from anything this trust holds. And you do still have access to principal, but you need a help from your family to accomplish that. Another advanced planning technique is long-term care hybrid insurance policies. This is a combination of life insurance and long-term care insurance. It's typically paid in a single premium, and if you need long-term care, it would pay you X dollars per month toward your care. But if you never need or never use the long-term care end of the policy, it would pay out in life insurance to your heirs, which is a nice tax benefit, tax-free benefit to them. There's also emergency planning, as I mentioned. If we have to engage in emergency planning, we often have to spend down assets quickly. Sometimes we can transfer assets depending on your situation. We can do things like fix your house. We can pre-plan a funeral. Lastly, we can use something called a Medicaid compliant annuity to get you eligible for Medicaid. The key is always talk to an elder law lawyer if you're faced with needing long-term care, as again, there's almost always a plan that we can put in place to save you substantial money. For more information about long-term care and elder law, please visit my website at pecorielderlaw.com. On my website, there's a free webinar that you can watch. It's about 30 minutes, and it will give you detailed information about how to save your assets from the cost of long-term care. You can always also set up your free consult with me on the website when you're ready. So thank you for tuning in today. Please leave your questions and comments below, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks. Have a great day.